Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red and this is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today I got something different for you. I have a tutorial how to assemble your Genie eReading lamp. Drop a like if you enjoy the content, leave a comment if you have any questions, and definitely check out the links in my description to get your own Genie eReading lamp by BenQ. So let's get this out of the box. This is a sponsored video. The company contacted me through email and asked me to take a look at their lamp and see what I thought about it. So I thought I'd start out with an assembly video. If you've gotten one of these and you're looking at it going, how do I put this together? This is how you put it together. Okay, so let's get it open. So I haven't even opened it yet. Now, this light is designed for people that are staring at screens all day. Tablets, laptops, desktops. When you're staring at a screen all day, like I am, your eyes, they get a little tired and a little angry with you. And this is designed to relieve some of that ocular exhaustion. So, let's see what we got here. Alright, that looks like the actual lamp itself. And you've got your user guide and instruction manual, a little Allen wrench, a couple little screws. This has some good weight to it. It's not going to be easy to knock over. The base feels pretty solid. Now this retails on Amazon for $139. There are links in my description if you want to check those out. You want to be careful with this because this part is going to have your actual LED light. Now this isn't very light either. It's not very heavy. It's got a good balance to it because as you can see, it's got kind of an odd shape. But it feels really well balanced so it's not likely to tip over. Alright. Now let's see how we put this together. So it's in this box. Okay, you got your power cord. Wow, that's really small. It would obviously plug into this and then into your wall. There you go. Have fun with it. Alright, you got your Allen wrench, a couple of screws, and looks like some two-sided tape in this. Okay, you've got this right here. You got your two little holes here. There is a little piece, this right here. If you can see it. This will move up and down just a little bit. You know, this right here. Slide that all the way down so you see the two holes. Alright, next, you've got your lamp, the actual lamp. This little piece right here is going to have two holes. Put it down in here. It only fits one way. And you want this over the front. This is all going to face forward. You got your Allen wrench and these two bitty screws that you probably can't even see. And those are going to go right in here in these holes. Just use your Allen wrench. You're going to put that right in there. tighten them down. Right, now, your little rubber pad, this little white thing right here, is going to go right there to cover them. You're just going to cover those two little screws with this little rubber pad right here. Just hot right in there. Yeah, perfect fit. Okay. But that snaps right in there. Pretty easy. Alright. And next, connect the power cord and the adapter. There's your adapter. Not really sure what the point and purpose of this one. They just didn't make a power cord. But here we are. And this, look, you can move it. You can bend it over. And the whole point and purpose of this is to put it over like a laptop or a tablet. You can use a desktop computer, whatever it is that you're staring at all day is what this is designed for. And you just, there you go. And the top also, it's got a little ball right here that it's mounted on. And this is what you use to adjust it. You just raise it and lower it. And you adjust it however it is most comfortable for you. Alright, let's plug it in. And switch it on. That is bright. Wow, that is bright. If you're in a dimly lit office, you know, you got those big overhead fluorescents and you got kind of a shadow on your computer, this will eliminate that. That is for sure. Wow, that's a lot of light. And even if you're just using this for a bedside reading lamp, you can adjust. I like this. This is my first look at it too, y'all. You saw me just put it together. So this is my first look. I really like this. I was thinking about giving it to my dad as a gift because he has a desktop computer and terrible lighting in his room. And I think I'm going to keep it, honestly, because I've got some work I do on my laptop and I don't have great lighting. There's no overhead light in my living room. This is a terribly uncomfortable place to sit. So, yeah, I really like this. And if I want to do anything, you know, that I need, if you are, let's say, a nail tech, this would be great because look, I mean, this is so much light. This is not limited only to an e-reader. It is ideally for an e-reader, but I would not limit this. This light is fantastic. This is for reading a book. This is for doing anything like making jewelry. I used to make jewelry just kind of as a hobby, and that was something I was always struggling with was light. There was always a shadow in what I was doing, and this looks like it would be fantastic. Look how much light that is. That is awesome. I've got my nail girl, and I need to go see her, but she would have a fit over this because she is always needing better light. Yes, absolutely. And this sells for $139 on Amazon. You can pick it up there. There is a link down in my description if you want to get one of these. Check it out for yourself. As you can see, we put it together fairly quickly. It's really bright. I really like it. They've got different colors, and the style of it's great. It eliminates shadows, and that's what I have the biggest problem with a lot of times is shadows and cats. So, I'm going to be doing some more reviews with this. I'm going to do different lighting tests with the phone, with my computer, different stuff to see how it does because eye strain is a big deal. I do stare at a computer screen all day. I stare at phones all day. So I really want to put this to the test and see how it does. And I do have some reading I need to do on my laptop. So this is going to be ideal for it because I have very poor lighting in my apartment. And I think this will be great for making future videos. So, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to check out the link in my description for this, the e-reading light by BenQ. This is awesome. This is the Genie. Right here. This is the Genie eReading lamp. And I would not limit it. Anything you need a good direct bright light for, I think this is going to be fantastic for that. So be sure to look for more videos on this. I really like it. And like I said, this is a sponsored video. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoy the content. Drop a comment if you have any questions. and subscribe to my channel. Get all the notifications when you ring my bell. See you in the next video.